Poolside is building next generation AI for all of software development and every software developer on the planet. Since Poolside is developed for general software development capabilities, it means that everything you can think of under the sun in software development is inherent in Poolside's capabilities. This means things like accelerated code development, where customers are using the side-by-side chat to access features, to ask questions, to get information and understand what's happening in code bases, or state-of-the-art code completion so that developers around the world can use this inside their editor, as well as things like documentation, code explaining, or writing unit tests or functional tests. Poolside empowers developers across an organization in a variety of ways. Junior developers can now ramp up faster. Senior developers can gain access to superpowers across the entire software development lifecycle. And because Poolside combines a company's own code and software documentation contexts, it means that teams can now switch streams and contexts much faster, much easier. You can now jump from code base to code base or project to project and ramp up orders of magnitude faster. Poolside's technology that's state-of-the-art is something we call reinforcement learning via code execution feedback. What this means is that we can build increasingly more capable models for software development and tailored for specific tasks. This allows us a multitude of things, but primarily it allows us to advance very quickly, very safely in all of the aspects of software development. Poolside and Amazon Bedrock allows us a seamless transitions from testing to production. Organizations around the world can now access frontier AI however they choose to consume it via Amazon Bedrock. In practice, this means that what is available to customers around the world is a new emergent AI software intelligence layer that they can make part of their enterprise. There's a host of specific advantages that customers gain by accessing Poolside via Bedrock, including the ability to scale up and down workloads, the security and privacy aspect of using AWS infrastructure to access frontier AI, as well as fine-tuning. And what fine-tuning Poolside via Bedrock means, your organization now has access to frontier AI specific to your organization via the fine-tuning on your data and your code assets. Because none of that data ever leaves your premise, you can be guaranteed that this is now your AI inside your organization. Poolside is built for everybody on the planet, but via this mechanism, it is ideal for highly regulated, highly secure, highly private environments with the most stringent of requirements. AWS is the first cloud to offer access to Poolside's assistant and fully managed models. What makes AWS and Poolside's partnership so unique and strong is that we are coming together to give companies and developers in the world the best of all worlds. This means that none of your code is ever going to leave your boundaries and you have access to frontier AI. What gets me excited is just the arc of human innovation. When things that would take a team of developers months to do previously can now be crunched down to compute hours. I'm excited for you to start using Poolside inside of Bedrock.